We created the world's first cine-grade wearable light. And then, we created it again. Introducing Q6 LED light bracelet. You can mount Q6 by slapping it, magnetizing it, wrapping it, or throwing it. It is tougher, with better splash resistance and improved mechanics. Q6 comes as a high CRI bicolor strip or clean wavelength RGB. With more control, you can now select between 5 brightness levels, with an extra low level for extreme close-ups. Brightness control is now also built into the effects function, giving you complete mastery over your set. Coming in at under 45 grams, Q6 is among the lowest profile cinematic lights in the world, so you can hide it just about anywhere, even in plain sight. Q6 features an upgraded power management system, providing up to 8 hours of light on a single charge. It is charging even when turned on, so you never run out of light when you need it the most. Add an external power bank, and it will run for days. You can even use and charge multiple Q6 units with a 3-way cable out of a single USB port. To help you get the most out of your Q6, we're also introducing a line of newly designed accessories to drive your creativity on or off camera. A single Q6 mount allows you to use the light on camera, on a light stand, or on a boom pole. An incredibly thin magnetized 3-way panel supports up to 3 lights and features multiple mounting options. Q, the light wrap, reimagined.